In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to be a zombie in Dying Light 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy instructions on how to properly become a zombie in Dying Light 2. Now, something that I need to make incredibly obvious is that, unlike Dying Light 1, where you had a Be the Zombie mode, Dying Light 2 does not feature a Be the Zombie mode. And because of this, we need to install mods. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. If you wanted to do it in a vanilla installation of the game where you don't have to use mods, then sadly it is impossible. This method is going to work for PC, where we will be downloading a mod available on Nexus Mods. Besides this, it is impossible to become a zombie in Dying Light 2, so keep that in mind. There is no longer a Be the Zombie mode like there was in Dying Light 1. So this mod is named Use Aiden's Volatile Skill. Just look for Volatile Skill on Google and you should be able to find it under Nexus Mods. In here, scroll down, you will be able to see a preview if you wish, but basically it is showcasing the ability to become a zombie or volatile, and as you can see according to the description, it is exactly what we want. So download the mod, and after you do, you will receive a zip file just like this that contains this file here, data3.pak. Now to install this mod, it's incredibly simple. All that you have to do is open where your Dying Light 2 installation is. So for me, I am playing on Steam, so all that I would have to do is right click Dying Light 2, go into manage and then browse local files. You will notice that I am doing this process with Dying Light 1. Don't worry, just follow the same steps but with Dying Light 2 instead. I'm only showcasing this because I don't own Dying Light 2 on this account at the moment, but once you go to the installation folder of Dying Light 2, access the PH folder and then source. In here, there are going to be a bunch of data.pak files, and all that you have to do is drag the data3.pak file here and replace all of the files located. Now you are good to go. Open the game and you should be able to use the skill presented here by pressing the same combination of buttons. I hope I was able to help you on how to be a zombie in Dying Light 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.